Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 1, Text 43. Utsanna kula dharmanam manushyanam janardana narake niyatam vaso bhavati tyanushruma. Synonyms: Utsanna, spoiled. Kula dharmanam, of those who have the family traditions. Manushyanam, of such men. Janardana, O Krishna. Narake, in hell. Niyatam, always. Vasaha, residence. Bhavati, it so becomes. Iti, thus. Anushruma, I have heard by disciplic succession. Translation: O Krishna, maintainer of the people, I have heard by disciplic succession that those who destroy family traditions dwell always in hell. Purport: Arjuna bases his argument not on his own personal experience, but on what he has heard from the authorities. That is the way of receiving real knowledge. One cannot reach the real point of factual knowledge without being helped by the right person who is already established in that knowledge. There is a system in the Varnashrama institution by which one has to undergo the process of ablution before death for his sinful activities. One who is always engaged in sinful activities must utilize the process of ablution called the Prayaschitta. Without doing so, one surely will be transferred to hellish planets to undergo miserable lives as the result of sinful activities. Text 44. Aho bata mahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam yadraja sukha lobhena hantum svajanam udyataha. Synonyms: Ahaha, alas. Bata, how strange it is. Mahat, great. Papam, sins. Kartum, to perform. Vyavasitaha, decided. Vayam, we. Yat, so that. Rajya, kingdom. Sukha lobhena, driven by greed for royal happiness. Hantum, to kill. Svajanam, kinsman. Udyataha, trying for. Translation: Alas, how strange it is that we are preparing to commit greatly sinful acts, driven by the desire to enjoy royal happiness. Purport: Driven by selfish motives, one may be inclined to such sinful acts as the killing of one's own brother, father, or mother. There are many such instances in the history of the world, but Arjuna, being a saintly devotee of the Lord, is always conscious of moral principles and therefore takes care to avoid such activities. Text 45. Yadi mama pratikaram ashastram shastrapanayaha dhartarashtrarane hanyus tanme kshemataram bhavet. Synonyms: Yadi, even if. Mam, unto me. Apratikaram, without being resistant. Ashastram, without being fully equipped. Shastrapanayaha, those with weapons in hand. Dhartarashtraha, the sons of Dhritarashtra. Rane, in the battlefield. Han yuho, may kill. Tat, that. May, mine. Shemataram, better. Bhavet, become. Translation: I would consider it better for the sons of Dhritarashtra to kill me unarmed and unresisting rather than fight with them. Purport: It is the custom according to Kshatriya fighting principles that an unarmed and unwilling foe should not be attacked. Arjuna, however, in such an enigmatic position, decided he would not fight if he were attacked by the enemy. He did not consider how much the other party was bent upon fighting. All these symptoms are due to soft-heartedness resulting from his being a great devotee of the Lord. Text 46. Sanjaya uvacha evam yuktvarjunaha sankye ratopasta upavishat visrijya sasharam chapam shoka samvigna manasaha. Synonyms: Sanjayaha, Sanjaya. Uvacha, said. Evam, thus. Yuktva, saying. Arjunaha, Arjuna. Sankye, in the battlefield. Ratha, chariot. Upastaha, situated on. Upavishat, sat down again. Visrijya, keeping aside. Sasharam, along with arrows. Chapam, the bow. Shoka, lamentation. Samvigna, distressed. Manasaha, within the mind. Translation: Sanjaya said, Arjuna, having thus spoken on the battlefield, cast aside his bow and arrows and sat down on the chariot, his mind overwhelmed with grief. Purport: While observing the situation of his enemy, Arjuna stood up on the chariot, but he was so afflicted with lamentation that he sat down again, setting aside his bow and arrows. Such a kind and soft-hearted person in the devotional service of the Lord is fit to receive self-knowledge. Thus end the Bhaktivedanta purports to the first chapter of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita in the matter of observing the armies on the battlefield of Kurukshetra.